Okay, so this is like tournament report from midweek, but I show you this because of this. We have update from Road of the King, and his cover around 29 September until 11 October. So actually, this is like uh, 2 weeks ago actually. So that's why I make my own version. That's why each week I'll try to cover as fast as possible. Uh, to get like real time, maybe like about 2 or 3 days um, tournament report from around Japan or Korea. So let's see. And this is like 2 weeks ago, and we have like Rescue S, Labyrinth, Purely, and Magician for uh, top 4 deck right now. But with my new report, I think Purely is drop, and we have like a Fire King as new favorite deck, and uh, yeah, 51 Rescue S, 30 Labyrinth, around 20 Purely, Magician, Runic, Branded, and etc. For sample is like this. Rescue S is split between two builds. It's either use focus on Link Master or this Auroton combo. Yeah, it depends with player preference, but if you want to play this Link combo, you have more space, and you can use like main taking Super Poly or main taking Valor, because you don't need to use Oleon or Jet Synchron. So that's the good thing about this Link centric. But if you play this Auroton combo, you have like a better field with like Trinket on the field, so you don't need to worry about Evenly or else, or board breaker like Duster or else. Um, um, I think this list is a bit old, but this link centric people right now use like reinforce inside text, so I think it's fine if you get like your opponent use safe only with reinforce. You can protect your monster, and you can banish your own monster with little next. So that's why in link centric you just like at least to this little knight to banish your own monster. um, Next, Labyrinth. I think Labyrinth is split between two lists. I never play this deck, but I think I'll try to explain this list. Because of this new Daruma trap, people right now like, yeah, people try to main taking these areas. People like try play 2 or 3 areas, and these two for example, this one he played Ancient Engine, because you can really easy to summon it. But I think people like not don't play this engine anymore, because it is like 2 weeks ago. And Purely is, yes, with a standard list, but actually this deck is really hard to play. It's too much like decision making to make. Yeah, it's about decision making if you want to play this deck, and depend with your luck. It's like tier actually, so it depends with your top taking when you use Purely level 1 monster. If you're lucky, you can get more value. If not, yeah, this deck is 50-50 actually, and it depends with player skill and luck. Magician with, yeah, it's going popular it because maybe right now with this deck you can play like 2 cards combo. Even you can 1 card combo, let's say Dragon String plus Hand Trap. Um, I think I will share that combo later, maybe next week. So that's why this deck is really good, especially with Dark Womb. 2 Dark Womb is really important in this deck. Um, 1 Dark Womb is really bad when I play this deck like before Painless, because sometimes I draw it and I don't get free summon from Dragon's Rune or Foolish Burial, and Dragon's Rune is really important in this deck, and you can get a lot of value from it. And this deck is really flexible, and that's why people like play Troll against this deck. It because Nibiru is really bad against this, because you can summon Apollousa before Pendulum summon, so that's the reason why this deck is really strong. Runic, I will not talking more about this, because this deck is really poor actually, and I'm not fan of this deck. So next, let's see. We have a report from China. For example, this one, they had like 600 players. It's really huge actually. 9 round Swiss and top 32. First, we have Branded, and following with 2 Rescue S, Unchained, Labyrinth, Fire King, EXO, Dragon Link, Rescue S, Magician FTK, and etc. But only few lists who show in this blog. For example, this one, Branded, second place Rescue S. And this is what I talking about. Impump is really bad in this deck, because yeah, you cannot activate if you have like cards in your field. So that's why Traveler is mandatory maybe. Yeah, it depends with your choice. So yeah, this is what I talking about. Reinforce is mandatory inside deck if you want to play this link centric. And you don't need to worry about even though like your cards is get banished, next time you can recover and OTK your opponent. So this is why this deck is like best deck right now in OCG, especially this link variant, link centric, because this is more flexible, and you can like access code or this Trispina. Trispina is really strong against Piccolo deck. Rescue S with Rotom Engine. I don't know what this card is. This level 1. Labyrinth with Ancient Engine, Fire King, EXO. So yep. Next, let's see for the under list. I think I will start from 3 days ago. This one maybe. Yeah, this one is 16 October, so let me check this first. Yeah, 15. This one is 15 to 15. Yeah, I think this one. Next, Super Heavy with Vernal Sleep. Interesting actually. Yeah, I think you can like hand destruction with this, and with Gatoms you can loop Gatoms with Vernal Sleep monster. Yeah, I think Koska is really strong against Labyrinth. Rivalry, I think it's because all Super Heavy is machine, so you don't need to worry about this Rivalry. And Red Dragon Aquin, Casserole is PNH. Casserole is really important in this deck too, so that's why like on this list. He man take evenly. This is really crazy, man taking evenly in this deck. But you can use this for reference if you want to keep this deck, this Red Dragon Archfiend. Purely, so standard build. Next Salamangreat with Kaiser Colosseum inside deck. Next Fire King and Branded. Next Branded Vanquish Soul with 3 Impulse and 2 Shifter. Purely standard build, another purely. Next we have Magician, Runic, Labyrinth, and Mana. No, I think this is Tripri. Tripri with Scarecrow Engine. Next Phantom Knight with Horus. I think you can make base board like Photon Lord plus Everswarm Nightmare plus Masquerena. Yeah, I think these three is strong enough. I think with Fogblade plus Illegal Knight, I think. Next from China we have Branded, Rescue S. Yep, nothing special. Yeah, this sample is looks solid actually. I like this list a lot. Rescue S with some Judgment in set deck, and Labyrinth with 3 Arias. Okay, if you don't know about this, is Arias before Daruma release, no one play Arias. So, but with Daruma, Arias is really strong actually. Next Magician. So he chose to play Venom in extra deck. Magician, yeah, as you can see, it's really popular right now. This is from Korean player, and he chose to play 3 Valor and 2 Impulse. This is crazy actually. He play like a 5 Negate, so it means he played like 11 Hand Trap. And he don't play off or purple poison. Yeah, purple poison. So the way he summon Baron is from us plus level 7. So which is it's hard actually. I don't know what this card is. Crystal Wing or something. And he played 2 Light Womb. Interesting. I would like to play 1 Light Womb. Because sometimes this card is dead if you don't have like get Magician in your starting hand. Okay, so you don't play Harmonizing too? Interesting actually. Maybe I want to try this version too, and yeah, maybe I need to try this one. It because sometimes Harmo is big I played Harmo it because I want to summon Baron, but I think with this list you can play Savage instead, but Baron is flexible actually. Let's say you can destroy your own skill and gain effect, but this is interesting actually without Harmo or under Magician only played Wisdom Eye and Jogleris for Magician, and he don't play Pencraft spell. Yeah, Pencraft. Yeah, sometimes I'm set out my Pencraft spell too. Sometimes it's break. This is interesting actually. Play 3 like wing 2. Okay. Maybe you can play Peduli Evolution. Maybe. But this is interesting actually. And for his record, but he lost one. Okay. But I want to make experiment with this. Maybe. Next, we have Therion Horus. Next, Labyrinth with Foolish Burial Good. From next play tournament, we have Rescue S. Okay. Yeah, I like this Rescue S list a lot. And he don't play Super Poly. I think Super Poly sometimes is weird. I think Valor is too much better than Super Poly. Labyrinth, Mikanko, and Purely. This PLS is interesting too. PLS Link. And this is the reason why he won against Labyrinth. This Trispena is really strong. This is Psychic Punishment is interesting too. If your opponent don't have like Baguska or maybe Underwalk, this card is like auto win. It's because you always pay half life point with rollback, so that's the reason why this Psychic Punishment in this deck. Interesting actually. Next we have Sword Soul, and this is from Master Duel, so I will skip it. Next, Naturia Horus, Venom Knight with Horus plus Brief Token, and Centurion. One Book of Moon in main deck, interesting. Skill Train. Skill Train is interesting too. You can stall with it, and you can still like Synchro maybe. Next, Magician. Yeah, this is this list is similar like Korean player. Maybe I saw it like last week. I saw this list too, and it looked interesting actually. Yeah, really interesting actually. Gamma Inside deck. Gospel, this is for Labyrinth, this Gospel. Next, from Master Duel, this one. Naturia Runic. And Labyrinth, Purely I mean. Centurion. And that's it. Yeah, I think I want to try this list actually. It's interesting without Harmo in this deck. Because Harmony sometimes is break, so that's why. And he played a 3 like wing. This is interesting too. So maybe I can like test to play like 2 like wing and 1 pendulum evolution maybe. But pendulum evolution need under pendulum monster in your hand to cycle it. But I want to try it out. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.